What is minting an NFT, and why should you create one? NFTs have been the talk of town, and people are flipping NFTs for millions. So why don't you run in the race? So today in this video, we're going to talk about all the reasons why you should mint NFTs, even as an individual or as a business. So make sure you subscribe to NFTimes to keep getting our videos, and do like the video if you like the content. Let's start the video without any further delay with the explanation of what is minting. In simple words, minting an NFT is a process of converting digital data into crypto collections or digital assets that are recorded on the blockchain. The digital products or files will be stored in a distributed ledger or decentralized database and will be impossible to edit, modify, or delete. In other words, this means that minting is the process of uploading a specific item to the blockchain, and it's similar to minting a real coin. And there are various steps involved in minting an NFT, but here we will tell you how to mint on OpenSea with simple steps. So first, buy Ethereum, then set up and connect a crypto wallet to your OpenSea account. And finally, upload the digital file you'll be creating or minting as an NFT. It's that simple. We hope you got it. You should know that NFTs give content creators more control over their earnings and content rights, allowing them to maximize their earnings. Because of their limited nature and unique codes, NFTs add more value to digital creations, making them a very lucrative opportunity for creators. Aside from the actual sale, they can increase their earnings if a buyer resells their work. Further, let me explain a few reasons to you why we should mint NFTs. NFTs are having a significant impact on the business world. Since the advent of social media, we haven't seen such a large impact or level of excitement about an innovation. It reminds me of the early days of Facebook or Twitter. Specifically, NFTs enable businesses and individuals to create a digital proof of ownership, attendance, and even transference to various experiences that they provide to their customers. Furthermore, NFTs are transparent and instant. The smart contract coded into the token cannot be edited or changed, which means that the company that created the token will always receive a return when the token is sold. If people purchase an NFT and later decide to transfer that NFT to a third party, the business will still receive a share of the transaction as written into the smart contract. Even if access was not purchased directly through one of the company's sales funnels, the company can still earn revenue simply by the fact that the experience it created for its audience is being accessed and enjoyed. It's especially a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for the artists, no matter which industry they work. Like it or not, they're painters, content creators, musicians, or whatever. People are selling their tunes, memes, gifts, their life achievements, and whatever they feel worthy as NFTs. Just some months ago, an NGO in South Africa sold the document as an NFT, for which Nelson Mandela went to jail. Jack Dorsey, the ex-CEO of Twitter, sold his first tweet for millions of dollars. And Snoop Dogg also sold his music as NFTs too. So this is quite a huge industry for anyone who wants to get in. Additionally, businesses are also allowing their customers to invest in their community by using NFTs. This is a much more intimate connection than people who simply buy a subscription. Purchasing a membership in a community essentially grants that member partial ownership of that community. Members contribute to the community's value by holding a certain number of tokens and setting a price for them when they sell them when they no longer require access. Whether an NFT gives people access to a Discord community, an event, a course, or a coach's calendar for special coaching opportunities, that access is granted automatically and within a few minutes of purchase. As a result, people will be able to reap the benefits of being an NFT holder much faster than they would with anything that requires manual verifications and checks, or emails sent back and forth. You also don't have to be concerned about technical issues like when an email is mistakenly marked as spam or fails to deliver for a variety of other reasons. The proof of their access is immediately visible on the blockchain, allowing immediate access. And now, if you have a market and opportunity in mind, if you want to create NFTs and incorporate them into your strategy, start by collecting tokens from other creators. This will allow you to immerse yourself in the culture and begin to comprehend the impact and community that's forming around NFTs. The culture of any platform, like that of social media, is largely written and determined by its early adopters. The same can be said for NFTs. A large part of the culture is being formed, and you have the opportunity to see where it's going. When you're ready, you can decide how you can use an NFT to impact and support your own community. And now, Twitter's a great place to find examples to use as inspiration for your own NFTs. The NFT community has embraced Twitter, particularly Twitter Spaces. This makes sense, given Twitter's long-standing reputation as a place where you can talk about anything in real time. You you can find ongoing conversations by searching for hashtag NFT community at any time. However, a quick word of caution. As with email and SMS, don't click links on Twitter or Discord direct messages from people you don't know. These messages may contain links to well-designed websites that attempt to persuade you to purchase a fake NFT through them, connect your wallet, or provide them with your seed phrase. Under no circumstances should you click on any links that aren't directly in the Twitter bio or the community's important links channel on Discord. You can also look into NFTs on sites like OpenSea. Rather than conducting a keyword search, begin by exploring categories such as art, collectibles, music, and so on, as well as stats such as rankings and activity. These were all the use cases as individuals. Now let's talk about why you need to mint NFTs for your business. Your NFTs can give your audience access to a private, exclusive community where they can get information about you or your services or products. It can also be used to purchase event tickets, book clubs, or gain special access to your calendar or booking program to schedule a private coaching session with you. There are a few other applications that would benefit both of you as a company and your community as buyers. One of the more immediate benefits of using NFTs is to promote a social good that you believe in. You can choose any charity or notable cause you want to support, and a portion of every sale and resale of that NFT will go to that. Because the smart contracts coded into NFTs can include a split of any ongoing revenue in any number of ways. And once again, this is not something that can be changed or overwritten. If someone decides they no longer need access to your coaching community or book club and decides to sell the NFT that grants them access, they're unable to change the terms of the smart contract. The charity or cause you coded into that smart contract will still receive a portion of the proceeds, as will you and any other beneficiaries you coded into it. It cannot be changed, redirected, or overridden. So that's the end of the video for today, with all about minting NFTs. Now if you found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to our channel NFTimes for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye!